Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to turn off your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, or 15 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. Let's go. Now I'm showing on iPhone 14 how you can turn off. But this method works on absolutely any iPhone, including 15. To do this, you need to press the volume plus button and press the off button. Press it. After that, we have this menu. And we have to move the slider to the right. Now our iPhone is turned off. To turn it back on, we have to press just one button, the home button. And after that, wait for 5 or 10 seconds. Apple appears, and now after that, we wait for our iPhone to activate, turn on. And that's how we were able to turn it off and on. If you helped and liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you very much for watching, who watched this video to the end. Bye, everybody.